Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Asana for task management. So just put in here this and sign up to your Asana. Put in here your name as well as your profile. So just click on this right here in order to upload your profile and then just choose a picture that you want to use. Now once the picture has been uploaded, you can head over and then click on this continue right here. Now you can choose your role. You can be a team member, a manager, anything that you have right here. So for example, I'll head over and put myself as an actual executive. And then you can put in here your function. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then put in here some things like program management, research development, and the likes. Click on continue right here and then you can choose your main objective. So for this one, let's head over and use this right here as personal task management. Now click on continue and then just put in here the task you need to do. So for example, for this, let's put in here assignment 1. And then for the next one, let's also put in here assignment 2. And then for the third one, let's put in here assignment 3. Now click on continue and then you can choose if you want to make it a list, a board, a calendar, anything that you want. So for me, I'll head over and then choose in here list and click on continue and then you can actually add people to your actual team. So you can head over and add them from in here. You can also skip that if you want right here. Now, once you're all set, you can head over and view the apps or you can also skip that. So you can actually download it on your iOS or also your App Store. So in here, as you can see, they have a 30-day free trial for that. And you can just write here your tasks. You have in here this new task, due today and do later. You can actually edit it out. Like for example, when you double click this, you can change the emoji as well as the list name. You also click on the particular card and you can put in here a due date, the project, the dependencies, priority. You can choose a new priority like for example high priority, medium priority, and the status for this one. Now you can also do that on the next one right here. For example, let's put in here the priority for low and the status for on track. So you can also add some few more things right here like what is this for, and you can also put in here some comments that you want to add for this case. Now as you can see, once you're done with one assignment, you can head over and click on this check mark right here, and then once your task is complete, it will disappear on your board or whenever when you filtered them as well. So as you can see your task visibility in here. You can move on to the right, see column width and the likes in here, and you can see here the filter. So you will only be able to see the incomplete tasks. But when you head over and then unclick this, you should be able to see all of the tasks that you're done. As you can see, we're done with this one, so it's been grayed out. So you can head over and then move some things by clicking on this right here and moving them to another tab or another list that you can see from this case. So just move them and as you can see they've been moved. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.